Hello friends. So today I will show you how to present a scientific paper in national or international seminar. This is my poster which I have been presented in the World Ayurveda Congress 2022. So first of all you must take care of that. Your poster must be diagrammatic with mostly in the diagrams or in the table form that will help the other people to easily understand. Okay, so this is my case study on the efficacy of Kshar Karma and Yoni Avachuran in the management of Garbhashay Griva Mukhgat Vrana with a special reference to cervical erosion. This is my case study. Okay, this is the theme of this poster presentation, Ayurvedic Heals Success Stories, and my abstract ID was ID 1125. So you should mention all the thing in your poster. Okay, so I have started my poster by this reference, that is Shastranu Shastrebhyah Ksharah Pradhanatama, etc. Okay, so this I have given already the reference in the top. Then you start with your case study when the jury came to you or any other people came to you with this understanding. Okay, so in case summary you have to mention the short case summary, that is the Garbhashay Griva Mukhgata Vrana, that is the condition which we have commonly seen in our OPD. Okay, and it is the recurrent disease. Patient treated by the treatment and it again recurs. So it is very common condition in our day-to-day life. Okay, so in this case 46-year-old married female patient that is come with our OPD. Already she had taken the allopathic treatment for many times, but she got only some symptomatic relief, and again the symptoms appears. Okay, so she had a complaint like Yoni Strava, Katishula, Methuna, Sahishnuta, Yoni Daha, Mutra Kricha, Mutra Yoni Kandu, Yoni Dwargandhya. This all I have mentioned. Then baseline findings. Then after his proper history taking, after the Prashna Pariksha, I have done the Darshan Pariksha, inspection. Okay, so in that I have done Yoni Pariksha, pelvic examination, by per speculum examination and per vaginal examination. So in per speculum examination, vagina show fiery red colored, and the more specific is cervical erosion present, which covered 80 to 85% of both lip of cervix in circular manner. Here you can see in this figure 1, this is the cervical erosion before the treatment. And when I have done PV examination, then these are the reports, these are the findings of PV examination, which examination. Now I advise the investigation. So all the hematological, urine routine microscopical, serological examination, USG, which show normal uterine study, in pap smear, because before the treatment of any type of this cervical erosion, you first exclude the malignancy. So pap smear I have done before starting of the procedure, which show mild inflammation and negative for intraepithelial lesion or malignancy. So now malignancy has been excluded. Then all other history I have taken, which is important for gynec and obs patient, that is Rajo Vrutant, menstrual cycles and married life, Prasav Vrutant, which you can see in this. Birth control history, tubal ligation is there. Okay, if any other history like pills and copper tea, which is one of the reason of pelvic infection, so you have to mention in this manner. All other personal history, dietary history, appetite, sleep, etc. I have taken, which show that patient is taking the outside foods, packet food, junk food, okay, which is one of the reason of this dosha prakopa. So finally my provisional diagnosis was Garbhashay Griva Mukhgata Vrana, which you can correlate by the symptoms with modern cervical erosion. Okay, so this is my treatment plan. You can see in this table. On 10th June 2022, I have done Kshar Karma on the eroded area of the cervix by Yavakshara 15 gram. Okay, and after completion of Kshar Karma procedure, for next 7 days Yoni Pichu with oral medications. Okay, Yastimadikriti Yoni Pichu has been inserted every morning, and which is situated in for 2 hours, and with oral medication, that is Triphala Gugulu 2 tablets 2 times after meal with lukewarm water. Then after this treatment, patient came for the follow-up, and we have seen that 60% cervical erosion was disappeared, and this very good symptomatic relief is there. Patient have a relief in all the symptoms that very in decreasing condition. Okay, so for the further improvement and to prevent the recurrence of the disease, I have tried the another local procedure of Ayurveda, that is Yoni Avachuran. Okay, which is you can say is a sprinkling of a powder over the eroded area of the cervix once a day with all these the drug which have a Shothagna, Kandugna, Krumigna property like Haridra, Lodra, Amalki, Yashtimadhu and Suddha Sphatika. Okay, and Yoni Avachuran, this has been given followed by Yoni Prakshalan with a Panchavalkalkvat 500 ml. Okay, so you can see the midpoint and progress by this figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 and figure 4. Okay, so in figure 1 the cervical erosion you can see, in figure 2 which peak has been taken after the first follow-up, the eroded area is decreasing. In figure 3 you can see, and figure 4 the clear of 90 to 95% of cervical erosion. So and point findings are there. This Garbhashay Griva Mukhagata Vran was markedly recovered by Kshar Karma with Yavakshar followed by Yoni Avachuran in both subjective as well as objective parameters. Okay, and after the completion of all treatment, I have taken the follow-up for 4 to 5 months, but patient don't have any recurrence of the disease. You can see the before treatment after treatment comparison in this chart on the 10th June 2022 up to the 1st August 2022. So we can conclude that Ayurveda have a very good treatment option for this disease without any side effect. That are the local procedure, that is Kshar Karma, Yoni Avachuran and Yoni Prakshalan. Thank you so much.